Okay, so I'm Abby. Yeah.
I'm Hope.
And we
The
are
Sunday
Swaggers. Okay. Okay. We are the Sunday Swaggers.
We're pedophiles.
Alright. Don't say that. They'll be scared and run away before we can get them.
Run away.
Okay, so leave ideas and comments on what you want to see us do. If you get what I mean.
Okay.
Okay, no, I'm kidding, but anyway, leave comments and just say what you want to see us do. Okay. Alright. So, oh, my hair. Okay, anyway, I'm Abby and that's Hope, and we are
The Sunday Swaggers.
The Fairchild.
I was talking about that today.
Okay, ready? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Anal.